Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the AutoZone.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to AutoZone, its website lets customers shop online for automotive replacement parts, maintenance products, accessories, tools, and other vehicle-related products. Customers can search for compatible parts by entering vehicle information and can choose available shipping or store pickup options depending on the product and location. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. AutoZone sells products across categories including batteries, brakes, filters, engine components, lighting, fluids and chemicals, tools, accessories, and other automotive products. Customers can add their vehicle information to help narrow results to products designed to fit a particular year, make, model, and engine configuration. Product prices, promotions, availability, warranties, and fulfillment options can vary. AutoZone offers free same-day store pickup for eligible products. Customers place an order online, select free store pickup, and receive a confirmation email when the order is ready. At pickup, customers need the applicable confirmation information and identification required by AutoZone. AutoZone also offers home delivery for eligible products. According to its current mobile app information, free next-day delivery is available on more than 100,000 eligible parts with qualifying orders of $35 or more. Shipping availability can depend on the product's weight, order size, and destination. Certain hazardous or regulated products can also have shipping restrictions. AutoZone also operates AutoZone Rewards, its free loyalty program. According to AutoZone, members currently earn 1 credit for each qualifying purchase of at least $20 before tax. After earning 5 credits, members receive a $20 AutoZone reward that can be applied toward an eligible future purchase. Rewards members can also receive exclusive personalized offers and use their accounts to track purchases, warranties, vehicles, service history, credits, and rewards. Individual credits currently expire 365 days after they are issued, while standard $20 rewards generally expire after 90 days, with exceptions described in the program terms. AutoZone also provides several services intended to help customers maintain or repair their vehicles. Its website provides access to repair help, a video library, check engine light information, repair shop search tools, and its Loan-A-Tool program. The AutoZone mobile app provides additional shopping and vehicle management features. Customers can browse parts, arrange eligible pickup or delivery, track AutoZone rewards, manage vehicle information, and use barcode and VIN scanning for supported functions. For returns, AutoZone's current general store policy allows customers to request a refund for an eligible product returned in its original condition and packaging with a receipt within 90 days of purchase. Defective products can be returned within their applicable warranty period, and AutoZone states that refund requests can be denied when a product has been used or installed. Eligible products purchased through AutoZone.com can generally be returned to an AutoZone store. Customers can also return eligible shipped purchases by mail using the applicable return procedure. For mailed returns, original shipping charges generally are not refunded. However, AutoZone provides or reimburses eligible return shipping when AutoZone made a shipping error or the product was defective when shipped, subject to its policy. AutoZone also has a separate core return process for certain remanufactured automotive parts. A core is the old or failed component replaced during a repair, and eligible core deposits can be refunded after the applicable old component is returned and passes the required inspection. Not every product is eligible for return, and customized products are currently final sale. Customers should review the applicable warranty and return requirements for the particular product they are purchasing. Product prices, promotions, rewards benefits, inventory, shipping options, warranties, and return requirements can change, so users should check AutoZone's current information and individual product details before purchasing. For users interested in shopping for automotive parts, maintenance products, tools, and vehicle accessories, AutoZone could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.